Welcome to my lecture online. Our next example is a straightforward one, but again, we use the very same technique as before. We identify all the denominators. In this case, we have x, we have 3, and we have 2x. So our lowest common denominator in this case is going to be equal to 3 times 2x, or 6x. All other denominators, well, all of them fit evenly into that denominator, which means we're going to multiply both the numerator and the denominator by 6x. So what does that look like? Well, we multiply this by each of the two terms, so we have 2 times 6x plus 3 over x times 6x divided by 1 over 3 times 6x minus 5 over 2x times 6x. All right, now let's go ahead and see what we can simplify. So this becomes 2 times 6x, which is 12x. Here you can see that the x's cancel out, so you're left with plus 18 divided by, the 6 divided by 3 is 2, so we get 2x. And here we get 6x divided by 2x, which is equal to 3. 3 times 5 is 15. And then we could factor a 6 out of the numerator. So this can then be written as, let me just go ahead and write it down here. So this is equal to 6 times 2x plus 3 divided by 2x minus 15. And that would be the simplified form of that complex fraction. That's how it's done.